Children, good morning. How are you? Now, in first chapter, what is our first chapter, children? Integers. We completed integers. You also completed classwork, I think. Now, our next chapter name is fractions and decimals. Now, children, we have in fractions. Now, this is our introduction, children. In introduction, we have first what topics to be covered, children? Introduction, what are fractions, types of fractions, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions is, and in decimals, children, we have multiplication and division of decimal numbers. In now, what is introduction? Okay, children, introduction. See here, what is fraction actually? What is fraction? A part of a whole thing is called fraction. A part of a whole is called fraction. Here we have one pizza, children. Here 5 pieces. All that 5 pieces are equal. Now here 5 children. So one pizza is distributing to 5 children. So one piece. Each child will get one piece. Each child will get one piece of pizza. Now here, see children, here one boy, two boys and three girls. This is our grade 7 class. Imagine. Okay children, take your in this. Okay. Now here see one pizza. So suppose this boy will get one piece, here one piece, here one piece, here one piece, and here one piece. Now what fraction you will get? Each child, see here. Now each child got one piece here, one. So here fractions you will get, children. So this is you. Now you imagine you are in this place. Now you got one piece. So what fractions? Total how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5 you got 1. So what you will get? 1 by 5. So this 1 by 5th. So how you will read this? 1/5. So 1/5. So this is your portion. So 1/5. 1/5 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is read as 1/5. So here in 1 by 5, what this 1 by 5 called? Fraction. This is fraction. So 1 by 5 is fraction. So each child here fraction, each child got equal number of pieces. So fraction 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. So like this we will distribute and we will get fractions, children. So means fraction is nothing but a part of a whole thing is called fraction. Okay children. Now very common thing, let you have a pizza here. So and you have to divide a pizza into 5 friends with equal parts. Now here observe this. In this example we have 3 students. Here who is more hungry? Actually here what happened, teacher gave one pizza to every child. So every child got one pizza here. In that pizza how much portion they ate? So individually, because here who is hungry, who is more hungry? So we want more hungry means take one pizza, give one pizza to everyone. See here. So this boy got one pizza. So he ate one piece. So here how many pieces he ate? One piece. So out of one pizza he ate one piece. So here how many parts in this? 5 parts. So they divided 5 equal parts. In that first boy ate one piece. Now second boy ate 3 pieces. Second boy ate 3 pieces. And third boy, pizza, all got one pizza and they cut equal number of pieces. They cut 5 pieces. So like that, third boy ate, children here, third boy ate 5 pieces, 4 pieces. So third boy how many pieces he ate? 4 pieces. Now what fractions he will get? See here first boy will get 1 by 5 because he ate one piece out of 5 parts. So what fraction you will get for first boy? 1 by 5. So like that, second boy will get 3 by 5. Third boy will get 4. Third boy will get, children, third boy 4 by 4 by 5. So 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. So here we gave, teacher gave 3 pages and they divided 5 equal parts. And first boy ate 1 pizza means 1 by 5. Second boy ate 3 pizzas means 3 by 5. Third boy ate 4 pizzas means 4 by 5. Like that we will get fractions. So here a whole thing is dividing into equal number of pieces. So how here eating 1 by here how much portion, how much part he ate means 1 by 5. How much left means he will get 4 by 5. Here 3 by 5 8, 2 by 5 left. Here 4 by 5 8, 1 by 5 left. Like that you will get fraction, children. So how you will read? 1 by 5 means 1/5. 3 by 5 means 3/5, 1/5. 3 by 5 means 3/5. And 4 by 5 means, see children, 3/5 of pizza. Here 1/5 of pizza and here 4/5 of pizza. So like that, now who is here? Who is more hungry according to this? This boy. Third boy. Third boy was more hungry. So he ate 4 pieces. How many pieces left here? Only 1 by 5. Okay. So now one more example. Actually, what is fraction? Definition. In previous class we learned a part of a whole. Now here one more. Now you are in grade 7. According to your level, ratio of two integers in the form of p by q such that q is not equal to 0. This is fraction definition. Ratio of two integers in the form of p by q means here q is not equal to 0. Why? Because division by 0 is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. Now here one person here, he want to total number of pages in this textbook 100 pages. He want to complete this book, but one day he read only 50 pages. First day he read completed 50 pages. Now how much portion he completed? That is a question. So how you will write fraction form? How you will get total always in denominator and completed portion in numerator. So 50 by 100. In cancellation 0 0 will cut, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Finally this is simplest form of this is 1 by 2. You know simplest forms is, so 1 by 2 means half book he read. So total 100 pages. Half book he read, half left, still left. Okay, you want to read still. So half book. So means 50 pages read, 50 pages left. So half you will get half. So this is one example of fractions. Now one more is how you will read 1 by 2, children? Half. 1 by 2 you will read half. HALF, half. So here 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. You know that is. So now one more here. See children, what is fraction once again? Ratio of two integers in the form of p by q such that q is not equal to 0. Now one more. See example here we are writing some fractions here, 4 by 10, 15 by 4, 1 by 3, 100 by 3 is. So here if you observe here children, these two are proper fractions, these two are improper fractions. Whenever numerator smaller, proper. Whenever numerator greater, improper. So now come to our examples. Some more examples here. Here one apple. So I ate here one portion. So if I cut this apple into 5 pieces, I ate 2. Suppose if I ate 2 parts out of 5, I will write 2 by 5. Okay children, like that. You take any example and you divide equal portions, and finally you will get fractions. Okay, how much left, how much you ate, like that you will get fractions. This is introduction of fraction, children. Okay, now come to our next is, now see here one more. Here boy is playing, and here per day he will play. See children, here one boy is playing football. Per one day how many hours, children? 24 hours. So out of 24 hours he will play 10 hours. So what fraction he will get? 10 by 24. So 10 is numerator, 24 is denominator. Understood children? Now this is about fraction.